What's up, everyone? Today's wine text, even though it doesn't say it on the front, is the Bodegas Valduero Finca Azaya. So this is Ribeira del Duero. Again, a little recap on the regions and the appellations within Spain. This is a northern appellation where they make a couple different grapes, but this one specifically is the main grape within the region, which is a Tempranillo. And this is 100% Tempranillo and estate grown. Out of all the Spanish wines that we've done so far, this might be the one that I'm the most excited about. So this vineyard is super tiny. All the grapes that go into this wine itself are 100% estate grown, hand picked, hand sorted. But what makes this vineyard unique itself, it's very flat within the area. It's extremely dry with very little ways of irrigation because of how flat it is. And the vines themselves are actually more bushy than it is when you think of lines of vines. And why is that important? Is because it's so dry there that there's so many kind of sandy soils and small particle rocks and it's also very windy. So the leaves themselves protect the grapes. So minimal sunlight on these vines. I think the grapes kind of get hidden by the big leaves and things of that nature, but they definitely get that ripeness and that freshness that you're looking for. It's just the acidity level is much, much higher in this style of Tempranillo. Fresh raspberries, fresh cranberries. I get definitely a little bit of that earthy kind of limestone thing from the soil. It's mainly clay and limestone there. But yeah, I want to taste you guys, because there's some extension to that as well. When you have a cooler climate Tempranillo, especially when people think of fuller bodied red wines, things of that nature, where the ripeness can't get there, these guys use a decent amount of oak on the wine to level it out. Again, you get a lot of that fresh cranberry, a lot of that fresh raspberry, but the underlying drive of this wine is that baking spice, that vanilla, kind of that crushed cinnamon thing going on the nose. It's still pretty powerful. Like, I haven't even tasted it yet, and I can tell it's going to be pretty big. Definitely a little bit more of that plum and definitely that richness. The tannins themselves are super round, not ultra sharp, which I think comes from the oak and the long time it spends there. And it's got a pretty long, satisfying finish. Way more earth, way more of that cool climate, old world style. But yeah, 97-point score from Decanter. Massive, massive wine. This thing will age 5-10 years without even trying. And it's going to be well under $20. It's going to be an absolute steal for you guys. I think you're really going to enjoy it.